In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check purchase history in League of Legends. Start by opening the League client and landing on the main lobby. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner for the store button. It's the icon that looks like a stack of coins. Click that to open the in-game store. When the store loads, move your attention to the top right again and select Account Settings. This opens your account panel inside the store. On the left-hand side of that panel, you'll see a list of sections. Click on Purchase History. That's the page where the client shows a record of what you've bought. On the Purchase History page, you'll see entries that typically include the date of the transaction, the item or content you acquired, and the amount spent, whether that's RP or Blue Essence, along with the cost. This is where you can confirm purchases like champions, skins, chromas, ward skins, or other store items. It's a simple way to double-check recent buys, keep track of your spending, and make sure everything looks correct. If the page takes a second to load, don't worry. Sometimes the client needs a moment to pull in your records. If your client window is small, you may need to scroll to view the full list and details. Also, keep in mind that the layout can change slightly with updates, but the store button, account settings, and purchase history will still be in this general flow. The information here can be especially useful if you're trying to remember when you picked up a particular skin or whether a bundle went through. It's also handy for verifying RP you've used, or confirming that a purchase you made recently is reflected on your account. If something seems off, take note of the date and item name so you have the details handy for any follow-up you might need. For clarity, this page focuses on your in-client purchases. Depending on your region and recent updates, you may see additional notes or descriptions for certain items. If nothing appears right away, give it a moment and make sure your client is fully updated. And as a general tip, avoid sharing screenshots of this page publicly since it's tied to your account activity. That's all there is to it. Open the store, go to Account Settings, click Purchase History, and review your list. It's a quick, reliable way to keep track of everything you've bought in League of Legends.